Задание на верность Ветры.
I do not detect life in our immediate vicinity.
Let's head in, but stay sharp.
Так, кора ветра. А есть что-нибудь без красненького? Нету, да?
Looks like no one's home.
I swear if Sid sent us on a pointless search, I'm going to drill her shin plates.
Move! Go! What the hell was that?
Did I land on you? Sorry.
Ah, Nix. So good to finally meet you. And you brought friends. That's even the Pathfinder, if I'm not mistaken. My bait worked better than expected.
The missing settlers.
Who are you? Why are you kidnapping innocents?
Innocents? They're criminals. You helped them get away from me. You think I'm gonna let that go? Get comfortable. You'll be here a while.
Case of mistaken identity?
I'm just as lost as you are.
It's okay, Vetra. You don't have to cover for us. That was Merryweather. She runs a smuggling ring on Kadara. We worked for her. Vetra helped us get out of it. New lives, hiding in the outposts.
So you're helping people. There was no need.
It's not modesty.
Okay.
I'm getting out of here.
We've tried. There's no way out.
There's always a way out. Ryder, you have to believe me. I've no idea what's going on. I'm going to get answers, but first we have to get out of...
We need to talk.
Yeah. These people here think I helped them. And somehow Merryweather feels screwed over by it. Looks like she was gunning for me. Here's the people she thinks I... If you ask me, she's playing... Sounds like she wasn't expecting you. I try to get something...
How...
I've heard of her. Never did business with her myself. Kind of a loose...
You sure?
Right. I don't know what I did to put myself in Merryweather.
Ну, давайте посмотрим, что у нас тут есть.
Vetra seems really agitated. I hope this all gets sorted out soon. Some of us were trying to get off Kadara. She reached out to us. We didn't meet her in person. Anyway, we thought Merryweather would let us go. We were wrong. She made friends on Kadara. It was a mine or something. Got damaged and abandoned. It was perfect for Merryweather. We put a lot of work into this place. Carved out a niche.
There was...
Yeah. It was all too easy to start scapegoating, but things aren't better on. Thanks to Vetra?
I wish I knew what he was talking about.
Do you know...
We were always big. And nothing good in store for anyone.
Tell me more.
She used to... Working for her was all... But now, Merryweather's convinced we're
Так, окей, здесь мы уже все оббежали. Бежим вниз.
Door controls are not accessible from here, Pathfinder.
There has to be a way out.
I can open the doors from my end, but they're powered down. We need to get them going again.
Your end? Who are you?
sound of this, Ryder. Just get those doors some power!
Так, окей, где генератор? Почему все пошли вниз?
It appears functional.
No way to know until we try. That cable's not going to get power to that door.
And there you go! Oh, crud. Hacking the door tripped a silent alarm. If the guards see Galloway and the others, they're dead. We gotta hide them. The storage room.
Everyone, in here.
Интересно, если я тут останусь?
Ventilation in this place is awful. Everything smells like spit bug.
Don't worry about it. Just try not to get killed. That took care of it. We should check if the colonists are okay. Is everyone okay?
Ветra Niks, you've been pretending to be me, haven't you?
How did you...
Think I don't recognize my own tricks? And stop using my voice.
Sorry. It was just easier to get things done when people thought I was you. You know, because you have contacts and stuff.
Sid.
So you didn't help us, just like you said.
Yeah, my kid's sister.
Give your sister some credit, Vetra.
Sid, I know you're in the facility somewhere.
But I can help you get it. So walk me through it.
Ryder?
If she can tell us what...
See?
Fine, but she
We'll stay.
the sooner we get going, the...
Head down the corridor, through the mess hall. That's quickest.
Вредная
Before we
младшая
go farther,
сестра.
Are you in a safe spot?
Yeah, I'm tapped into their system from outside. Shuttle's well hidden. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Did you know your sister was messing about and impersonating you?
Do you think I would have let her if I knew? This explains a bunch of the strange reactions I've gotten from some of my associates. Shit, I have no idea what else she's done in my name. Sid, we're going to need you to...
Right. I can send a surge of power to that generator.
The electrical discharge from that could take out some of them. Ryder?
Overload that generator as I walk.
You got it. You really have to kill them
Would you prefer they went after your friends?
No. No, but never mind. Take that passageway next. It'll take you through... Huh. It looks like a bunch of cages?
What the hell is happening? Who's messing with security? Why are the feeds down? Someone answer me!
Galloway, stay where you are. There's guards in the corridor right by you.
Так, а здесь у нас что интересного?
Good, you're clear.
Thanks, Sid. That was a close one.
That's a lot of animals.
They could be training them as a security measure. If they're still feral, they could soften up those guards for us. Then again, they might also attack us.
Там какая-то красная штука, она не хочет. Давай попробуем перезагрузить турель.
Turn those turrets on Merryweather's men. That should get them out of our way.
Here we go.
The security here is intense! What on earth is Merryweather paying them?
That was intense.
That thing was so big. You guys were amazing. Anyway, you should head through the workshop next. That's the direct way out.
Так, здесь мы справились.
Shield boost enabled.
Пойдемте дальше в мастерскую.
There's a rat in the system. I want this rat caught. Double the rations for anyone that does it.
Hey, got a message about... I could dump out whatever's in those tanks.
That stuff cuts right through shields. If we're not careful, that'll hurt both them and us. If that engine has a charged core, it might explode. Looks like you've got loads of options.
Okay, but be careful.
Moving out!
Ryder, watch out! I think they're trying to get clever.
Core's down!
Changing positions.
Так, остался один. О, красавчик.
That was really awful. I knew you guys did stuff like this, but helping you do it, it's different.
That's why I never wanted you involved in the things I did. You can't have excitement and adventure if you can't handle pain and blood.
Well, I guess it's straight through the door next.
Угу. Вниз не спускаемся. Все там сразу дохнут. Мы хотя бы это проверили. Пойдемте дальше.
Sid, what do we have coming up? Sid?
Looks like
Sid?
I think someone found my shuttle. I can hear. I think I gotta. Oh no.
Sid! Sid, come in! They found her. They're gonna kill her. Why'd you have to go be the hero, Sid? Stupid. So stupid.
Sid's leverage. They won't kill her just...
I think I can trace Sid. No time to waste, but we have...
Идемте дальше. Ой-ой-ой.
Tell me you're going to talk to your sister about all this?
Oh, you have no idea.
Redirect fire.
Опять она застряла. Сюда иди. Так скажешь, что не хочешь сестру свою спасать.
Watch out! They're coming straight for us!
I didn't kill anyone. I don't even know how to shoot a gun.
You want your rat, Ветра Никс? You come to me.
Help!
Вау, какая у меня пушка классная. Ну что, убьем ее или нет?
Think carefully about your next move, Pathfinder.
That explodes, it takes you out too.
You won't let that happen.
Ветра. It's going to be okay. We're gonna get you out of this.
Okay. We're talking. Now what?
Put your weapons on the ground. Get them! Kill all of them!
Sid, get down! Stay down! I'll cover her if I can.
Warfare with his thugs, taking up position!
Acknowledged. Bolstering all shields.
По-моему, -1. Это не точно. Так, их 4. Их 3. У меня 3 патрона, их 2. Один остался.
Are you hurt?
I'm fine. I think.
Уровень
Get you to your
дали.
shuttle. Are you all right? Are you hurt?
Help's on the way.
I didn't mean for any of this.
You can't just mess around with people from Kadara. They're dangerous.
These guys wanted to... No one else was giving them a chance, so I thought, I can do that. I can help.
These are good people who made bad choices.
She still should have talked.
You started out when you... Yeah, I was shocked at first. Whatever. I'm going back to the Nexus, like you wanted.
That was intense.
Fine. Hey, at least thanks for helping me out with it.
Ура! Еще одна миссия пройдена.